today we're going fishing to look for the biggest fish. We're going to cook and eat it, and we're so excited. Especially my brother. I mean, I'm not that excited, but my brother is so excited. Fishing. He likes fishing a lot. I don't really like fishing a lot, but you know, we got everything. Fishing rods. What else do we have?
We have bait.
Tell them.
We have bait and
shrimps.
Hooks.
I don't know.
And hooks. Bobbers. And like that.
Yeah,
and like that. Gonna catch crabs.
Yeah, and also we have a boat, so we're going to go on a boat and then maybe try to catch some fish. So I'm really excited. I mean, not that excited as Jason.
And we have a cast net.
Yeah, don't know what that is, but it's okay.
It's a cast net.
Okay.
Let's go.
Woo! We're going fishing.
Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Ain't no face I recognize, and my baby can't be found. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the porch is bare and broken, and her name's gone from the wall. Church bell moaning.
You're welcome. Awesome. Did you guys get everything off the boat?
I think so, yeah. Great water.
Okay. Guys, I go to fishing, and here's my things. Why I am gonna tip in my fishing rod. I am gonna take out my bobber. So when I am gonna pick this one, and I also have this rod that have two hooks. Let's add it to my fishing rod.
Guys, we came and now we're gonna take all of the stuff out to go fishing, and yeah. Oh, that makes sense. That's a target. That's so tall. It's taller than the one.
Where are you going?
Our main fisherman is Jason, because he knows everything about it. He knows better than Dad on these. So, we're gonna fix this fishing rod with Jason because he's the expert at this and I'm not, and he is, but we're gonna um, this thing? Yes. We're gonna take this, what is it called? Now we're just gonna take everything, these stuffs we're fishing, and go over there because it's gonna be easier to do everything.
Magnolia Town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, Magnolia Town was humming, smoke lay on the ground.
Well, my dad showed me how to do this thing, so now I'm going to do it. We're gonna put this thing inside, then up, then like this. No, this way. Like this. Go, go, go. All the way.
Okay, that's it. That's it.
Okay. Now we're gonna take. This is what my dad made me with this golden shrimp.
So pretty, Queen.
Do you see that fishes are colorblind?
No, I think. Oh, again, he's stuck. I didn't help him.
What?
Again?
Let's try because it's super windy and I'm not sure if I can like really hit it far, but we'll see. Let's go.
Are you stuck?
Hi guys, and today I am going to fishing. Here's my shrimp, and I'm gonna catch the shrimp, and hopefully fish gonna eat it. So I need to be careful with that.
Are you okay, son? Let's try. I want to try with this dog. So pretty. Oops.
Sorry. I was trying to go there. How did you go there? Oh, there you go. And I am gonna be Anyway, Dad.
Is that how you do it? Like look.
-1.
Look. Please don't go. Go like this.
Oh, okay.
Up. Side. Turn. On the side.
Okay.
And then. Woo! Wow, it's so far. I want to do the same. Like this. Put it down. Hold it. And then on the side. And then. Wait.
Guys, can you imagine? I tried to catch the fish first time, like this, with this rod.
With the huge ginormous one.
Yeah. It's like first like this, then I need to with
Like that.
any fingers, yeah?
Like this.
Like
Like that.
here,
Undo that.
right below, if it's correct. I'm not sure, but let's see. Can you imagine if I catch like so big fish? I try. You never know. Like this.
And then on the side, go like
Be careful, stay
like this.
3, 2, no, go away. Go. 1, go.
It didn't go as a plane. No! Mama, put it.
Finger down to sleep. Come on.
Oh, I got it. Fail number 1.
I'm a bug rock. Oh, that was a bad one. Please stop. Happy, happy. I'm not happy. I'm happy. Can you move away, please? Don't get this way. Okay, I'm done. I'm
Oh, it's hot.
I don't know. Did you try? Maybe we would like to bring our boat, like kayak, and swim. That's parking. Like that.
can't take it out. Stop. I'm not in the water. Oh, no, I know. Mama. Wait,
Wait.
Dad, I need your help.
do this. That's yourself. Don't do this really hard. Just do this. I need to put a heavy thing here so I can catch it with a bar. But they're all are only like this, then it's not gonna. Hi guys, I am throwing the shrimp. That's why we throw it back.
Okay.
What is problem?
Oh, so big.
Thank you, Mom.
Can you help me?
Look,
It's like
we came another fishing spot, and because we was going to the beach because we gets a couple snacks, and our lobster didn't lose anywhere, so we got another spot because they kind of got full of fish. Only here full of fish.
What's the problem?
Okay, guys. I guess fishing is done because it popped off and snatched. I don't know how I did that, but happens.
It's rain.
Oh yeah, I know it's a rain.
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa. That was like pretty big one. And Jason is the fisherman here. I guess he's not a fisherman anymore. He's a stucker man. That's what he calls himself. Guys, subscribe to our channel. All you see today is not a great day to be fishing. That's why we didn't catch a fish. But 100% on the next time that we're going to go fishing, we are 100% going to catch a fish. So, guys, see ya. Bye. Subscribe to our channel because it's always awesome. Bye.